Welcome back to CAD Legend. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can you use the layers inside AutoCAD, which is really the best portion of AutoCAD 2D. Added you can use in 3D as well if you want, if you needed it. So the basic thing and the main thing is to know about what is idea about layers. Actually, layers are the different sheets and that you just can add the multiple things. If for example in one sheet or in one layer you just draw a drawing, and in the second layer you have to create the layers for the dimensioning, okay, and that you will do the dimensioning, okay. So if you don't want to have a congested drawing, so for that you must need to create the layers for that to have the clear cut things. So let me start the video, but before starting the video, remember one thing: if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel and become a part of our community, because it's free of cost. So now let's start the video. If I come here, so this is the layer tab over here, but if you can't find this, so you have to just right click on the ribbon and you will just get in such kind of menu will pop up. If I just uncheck this, you will see it gets hidden. You have to right click over here and you have to just add in over here. Now such kind of menu, such kind of tab pop up over here. Now when I just scroll it down, I have two layers. One is layer 0 and the one is I have said it with the name of RF, okay. So now how can you just create the new layers? For that, what you can do, you will just click on the layer properties manager. So such kind of menu will pop up with you people, okay. So here you can just see the 4 tabs over here. One is for the creation of new layer, one is for the frozen and all viewports, and one is for the deletion, and one is for the check the layer, okay, that you want to hit the check mark. It's mean okay. So if for example I just want to create a new layer over here, that is my this layer, and if for example I just want to save it with a name of this, I will just say okay. And if for example you just want to make it off, no, it's on, the current layer will be turned off. What do you want to do? So turn the current layer off, okay, because I have two more the layers and that I can do work, which is 0 layer, RF layer, and the third one is, but this I just made turn off. So you can just make the layers on from here, and you can just make them freeze, because, and if for example I just want to make this layer off for now, and I say okay, turn the current layer off, and let me just close it for now, and let me check what would happen to my interface. See, nothing is going to be drawn on this interface, okay. So this is what actually I just made it off. I will just scroll it down and I will just make it on. Now if for example I just want to draw anything on this, so you can just draw that. Let me come here and let me just do this. I will say okay. See, so this is what actually I just made it turn on, so you can actually see what I have drawn first, okay. The next thing, when I just click here and let me just click on this layer for now, and if for example I just want to have this layer, and you can just change it's for example it's for the dimensioning purpose, okay, and you can just want to change the color from here of the dimension. You can just change the line width from here, and I'll say okay. And what else you can just do? But if for example I just want to make any of the layer freeze, it means you cannot make any change inside that. If for example I just want to make this layer, so the selected layer cannot be made the current layer, And for example, I just come to the dimensioning and I just want to make it freeze. The layer cannot be frozen because it is the current layer. It's mean if for example I'm just in this layer and I just want to make it freeze, so you can. The selected layer cannot be made the current layer. Okay, it's not a big problem for me. So what else? So you cannot make any of the layer frozen and that you already working. Okay, see, such kind of menu will pop up with you. Selected layer cannot be made the current layer. Let me just close it for now. Turn the current layer off.